Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here again for another video. I'm here to show you guys what I bought yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys. I bought a brand new air pump for my car because I needed one. So here it is. That's the side. Supposedly, I say supposedly because I'm not sure if it's good. Supposedly, this air pump I bought from Walmart, it's good. Supposedly, I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% positive if it's good or not. We'll see. So here it is from Walmart air pump. Could put pause on the video if you like. So you could read that or whatever. So anyway, here it is, the air pump. I'm gonna barely open it. I haven't opened it obviously, so let's open it. It smells badass, brand new. I like smelling stuff that is new, obviously. Smells so awesome, like the smell. I'm gonna be high. Anyway, let's open this. That's all. Besides the instructions, it's not important. So let's move that to the side. Here it is. If it's not good, I'm gonna take it back to Walmart. Like I always take back stuff back to Walmart or Best Buy or whatever, any store if I don't like it or something. So yep, here it is. Air pump. I'm gonna put air on my tire in a little bit. Hopefully everything works legit. Alright, it's kind of small. I like it. And the reason I picked this one up because I had 5 stars on Walmart online. 5 stars. So I said to myself, well, if it has 5 stars, do you think it should be good, right? So I thought to myself, you know what, let me buy this one because it has 5 stars. That means it's good supposedly. So yep, here it is. Well, I can't connect it obviously because it's for my car, for cars. So I can connect it here at home, obviously. So why connect it here? And here's the thing where you connect to put air on the tire, obviously. And you tie it around and clip it somehow. Oh, with this clipper. There. It's back. You can see. There. Here's. And I also liked it because additional here. Of course you can't see it because it's not on. But here, when you turn it on, it says how many is like the numbers or so you call it. And here's you move it, you change it, whatever. I can't turn that on obviously to my car. Here's the button to turn that on obviously. And also I like because it has a flashlight here. Flashlight. You never know, maybe you need a flashlight when you're going out of town to a trip or something, especially if you need to put air on the tire and you're like, I can't see any light. This works handy. And also I like it because it has this It comes with this. Let me take it out. This to put air on any basketball, obviously. Can you see it? Here. So yep, comes with this. Was here somehow. I don't remember how, but it was here. Oh, there it is. Put it back. So yep, here's my air pump. Later I'll make a review. Maybe. We'll see. So yep, here's my air pump. My new air pump I just barely bought yesterday. So yep, I like it. Well, I'm not really sure if I like it, so never mind. We'll see. Hopefully I do like it. Supposedly it's good because it has 5 stars at Walmart, like I mentioned. So yep, this is my air pump. So anyway guys, before I go, my last video that I posted like few days ago, I say on Monday, yeah, past Monday, as I record this, it's Friday. So on Monday, I uploaded a new YouTube video of on the weekend last week that I went to out of town for vacation to San Antonio, that I went to Six Flags and SeaWorld, and I recorded SeaWorld. I put it on YouTube, and wow, I was amazed. I had a lot of views, a lot of views of since I posted that video of me recording SeaWorld. Wow, I had a lot of views. Thank you very much. Anyone that's on my YouTube video, my last YouTube video of SeaWorld, very thankful. Thank you everyone that enjoyed watching that video. Thank you everyone whoever watched it. And if you're not subscribed, whoever watched that video and you're not subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, please. I need subscribers, I need likes. Do me a favor, please, okay? So wow, I was shocked. Let me check how many views I have as of right now as I record this. Let me check on my other phone. As I record this, I have from SeaWorld San Antonio, I have, as of right now recording this, I have 867 views. Wow. And just 4 likes. That's all. So I have 867 views and I just get 4 likes. Really? 4 likes? Well, that's better than nothing, right? And 1 comment. So yep, I have 867 views. Wow. Thank you everyone for watching my SeaWorld San Antonio video. Wow, that's a lot of views. And those that haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, turn on those notifications on, and hit the like, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed my newest video from SeaWorld. Obviously you guys enjoyed it, I'm assuming, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching this new YouTube video once again of my new air pump. So yeah guys, see you guys next week or so, and have a great day, okay guys? Take care, peace. Later guys.